Hi, welcome back to Family and Fit. Today is Poverty Meal Prep. It says Poverty Meal Prep, okay guys? So, today I'll be cooking, hey, I'm recording a video. Asian chopped kit salad. Yes, that. And then you got some cracked pepper turkey breast tenderloin. This is the bomb. This is that good meat that I post on my Facebook. So now you get your pan ready. I'm gonna put that in there. The chopped salad we don't cook, so that'll be easy. But now I'm gonna chop this up. Okay, so a good thing about this meal is you don't have to season the tenderloin at all. It's already pre-seasoned, so you don't have to do nothing like that. You can either cook it in the oven, like without cutting it up, or you can cut it up and cook it in a pan like I'm doing in this video. If you look and see, it's cut up. See? Yeah. I'll clean it up.
And if you can't find that one there, you can marinate it yourself, because you know it may be difficult to find this if you don't have Aldi's near you, and if you can't find one of these that's pre-marinated, then you can go ahead and marinate it yourself. But then you might want to let it marinate overnight, because that's how you get the best marinade if you don't know anything about marinades. Because it could be potentially difficult to find one of these marinated. Now you can find a regular tenderloin, like a pork tenderloin that will be marinated already. Those are pretty easy to find. You can generally get those like Walmart, pretty much anywhere. But this one's a turkey one, so
we got it at Aldi's.
Yeah, it's kind of exclusive.
Yeah, it's turkey, so it's better for you and high in protein. 21 grams per serving of protein, so that's really good. And it's boneless, skinless, and extra lean. So this is the finished product and what it looks like. It looks yummy, don't it? Okay, and if you cut into it, it looks like that. And it's nice and juicy. And I'll put the macros on the screen. Right there. Asian salad doesn't need to be cooked. Okay? But it is 160 calories for 1 cup, which is 100 grams. So, yep. The meal's done cooking. All together, like serving wise, is 1,400 calories, followed by the carbs in this poverty meal prep is 60 grams of carbs, 70 grams of fat, and 158 grams of protein. So a really good protein source to use. If you like this video, make sure you like it, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, or if you didn't, still give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to be part of our family, and I will catch you in a minute. So guys, this is the meal. It's prepped. 307 calories. Caloritos.